Okay, here we go. Oh, get back in there, you. And here they come. You know, one thing I forgot to do. Spray them with a little sugar. Calm them down a little bit. Queen is located in this little cage. And underneath this metal cap, there's like a little marshmallow or a piece of hard candy that the bees eat through to get to the queen to release her. But the guy who got the bees said these are so brand new, leave that metal cap on there for till Tuesday so they get used to the queen and don't kill the queen, I guess. So I'm going to put the queen right in here. Spray them down a little bit more. And let me see if we get a better angle here where I dump them in. Gotta like shake these on the ground. I start dumping them in. You've seen all this, oh yeah. So they're all going around the queen over there. I have a piece of something here. What do you call this? This is like a pollen patty, they call it. This will give them something to eat on. Put that right over there. I gotta take the paper off it though. These guys look a little pissed at me for some reason. So I'll just put some top bars back. See that popsicle sticks here. Hopefully they know that this is where they start to build their comb. Hey, Doug. I'd say come and look at it, but I think they might be a little ticked with me. I'm videoing it, so you'll be able to see it there. Oh, the sound of bees again. They're surely noisy. And hopefully the other ones will come out of this box. Into the little hole there. You see they're already starting to guard that hole, that entrance.